Click on the triangle to expand the report levels, and select the report level you want to see. Go to the bottom of the page. Use the search option to search on email or participant name. Choose the participant you want to see and click on their name. Here you will find the personal response of the participant. On the left side you find all the information about the contact. Click on the Info button to see the information of the participant. Click on the Share button to share the information within your organization or print the page. You can close the loop for every participant. Closing the loop is explained in another video. On this page you can find all responses of this participant. In the left menu, you can also view the full list of participants. This is the same list as the list at the bottom of the results page. Filter on report level, wave and representative. You can see if the loop is already closed for a specific customer. You can download the respondents list and all their responses to and Excel export.